Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 back with another unboxing video for you all. But before we get started with it, I do want to apologize for, well, I probably sound terrible. And unfortunately, I am getting over a pretty bad cold. So, I know I don't sound my best right now, but I still wanted to make this video for you all. So, go ahead and I'll do my best. So I do apologize in advance though for not sounding super great. But anyway, on to something more exciting. We have another Apple product to unbox. I feel like most of my unboxings are of Apple products, but I guess what can I say? I like my Apple gear. A lot of cool stuff to check out. So this is something I got kind of as a birthday / Christmas gift for myself, and I'm sure some of you may also be getting this for Christmas or the holiday season. So let's get into it. In front of me we have the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. These just came out about 3 months ago, and there's the pictures, the box. I'll try and get close up on that text for those who want to read it. Let's see if it says AirPods Pro on it. Yes, it does, AirPods Pro. But these are the 2nd generation. But this is actually my first time using AirPods Pro. So I'm very excited to have a look at this. So let's go ahead and open this. Now, to make things a little faster, I have gone ahead and removed a lot of the plastic around the box. So all I need to do now is just lift the top up. And that was very easy. Okay, so on the top, okay, looks like we have our traditional documentation. Set that off to the side here. And then, okay, right after we find the documentation, we have the AirPods themselves in their charging case. And this does have some plastic paper. So let's get that off. All right, so that being done, put that in there we go. Now, before we open this case, let's see what else we have. I'm gonna lift up a bit more of this packaging, and I'm not sure what this is. Oh, these must be the extra ear tips, because these do have some special, ear tips for, different size ears. So I guess that's what this is. And we have a charging cable. Now, I'm not sure yet what type of cable this is. I think it might be a USB-C to Lightning, though. Yes, it does appear to be the case. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so that's everything in this box. So I'm going to reassemble everything, except I'll keep out the ear tips and the AirPods themselves. Oops. Let me fix this. Okay. Trying to put everything back as it was, but I'll just set the rest off to the side for now. And the documentation, put that over here too. Okay, now let's have a look at what we have here. So these looked very much like from what I can tell, look like the original AirPods Pro charging case with a button on the back and a lightning charging cable. Now there is apparently a speaker on this case so that you can use Find My, and that there are audio indications for pairing. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to grab my iPhone 12 and let's get these paired. I'll go ahead and unlock the iPhone.
1:56 p.m. One notification.
Okay, great. We're unlocked. Let's go ahead now and I'll open this case up. It'd help if I could. Oh, check that out. They did chime.
Alert.
And I'll just use
Close button. Connect button.
I'll use Explore by Touch there to find a connect button, and I'll double tap.
Connect. Connecting. Close button.
Okay.
Close button. Media control. Heading. Press once on either AirPod to play / pause, twice to skip forward, and 3 times to skip backward.
Okay, so it tells us we can press on the little stem. There's some controls there to play pause and do all that.
Skip button. Skip button. Press it. Noise control. Close button. Noise control.
Okay, here's noise control.
Press and close button.
Oops.
Skip button. Press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency.
Okay, so this does have noise cancellation, of course. That's one of the big differentiators between the AirPods.
AirPods Pro. Heading.
Okay, it keeps bumping me out of that, so I didn't get to read all the information, but that's alright. Let's have a look.
Close button. Close button. Close button.
Trying to see.
58% battery power. Charging. 71% battery power. Not charging.
Okay, so these
58%
have some
battery
charge.
power,
58, I guess, is for the AirPods.
71% battery power. Not
And the
charging.
case is at 71.
Done button.
So for now, I will just say done.
Safari.
And we should be good. Now, go ahead and close that. And just as typical, when we open these, we should be able to see.
Alert. Collins AirPods Pro. Heading.
Yep. We can have a look at the charging information. So
Safari.
that is very neat. Now, let's take out one of the buds to have a look at what it looks like. Okay, so this is the right AirPod that I just pulled out. And it does have the spot for like the rubber ear tip. And then on this, there's a stem, and there's a sensor where you can stop playing or skip to the next track. So some very cool stuff there. Go ahead and put this bud back in the case for now. The next thing I'll quickly do is show you that you can charge this in a few different ways. You can charge this with the lightning port, and also MagSafe is available, so let's just try that. Let's see. And it does signify that it's charging by making the same chime that is heard on the Apple Watch. So that is quite neat. Now, the other thing you can also do is charge using the Apple Watch charging puck. So that is very neat. So really, you'll never be without a way to charge these if you have other Apple products with you. So that is a quick unboxing and kind of my first look at what comes in the box and kind of my first initial thoughts on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Once I try these out for a while, I'll try and come back and, well, when I'm hopefully sounding a bit better, and do an update on this. So I hope you found this short video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more, and feel free to comment. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, @Gallagher123123. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.